ACHR stock analysis, should you buy or wait? I'm answering this in this short 1-minute video. I've invested tens of thousands of dollars in mentors and courses in 5 years of my time. Finally figured out what's actually making me money and what's not. Even now, looking at ACHR Aviations, this is how my chart is looking like, right? If you ask me, I mean, I'm genuinely looking to take things further up and buy. In this instance, let me show you the before, right? Look, 2 days back, 29th of April, all I was looking to do is buy, like ultimately. So not only did it actually deliver, it absolutely just cooked, and I'm looking to do like the same exact thing coming even into this next week. I'm going to copy the link. Starts here, copy. Oh, great. And now we have this new top. Unless I see that confirmation yet again, a little bit lower than where it actually is, then again, I'm not going to look to buy. So just genuinely observing. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.